Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about Python classes in just 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss what a class is. In Python, a class is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines attributes and methods that the objects can use. This allows you to group related data and functions together, making your code easier to understand and maintain. Let's create a simple class called dog. The init method is a special method called a constructor. It's called when you create a new object from the class. The self parameter represents the instance of the class, and you can use it to access the object's attributes and methods. Now let's create a dog object. We just created a dog object named Buddy, who is 3 years old. We can access the object's attributes using the dot notation. We can also call the bark method for our dog object. You can create multiple dog objects with different attributes. Now, let's briefly discuss inheritance. Inheritance allows you to create a new class that inherits attributes and methods from an existing class. This promotes code reusability and is a key feature of object-oriented programming. Let's create a new class called GoldenRetriever that inherits from the dog class. Our GoldenRetriever class now has all the attributes and methods of the dog class plus a new fetch method. Let's create a GoldenRetriever object. We can call the bark, birthday, and fetch methods on our GoldenRetriever object. And there you have it. You have learned the basics of Python classes, how to create objects, access attributes and methods, and even a bit about inheritance. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.